Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The intros kind of give it away already, but for today's episode, I'm going to a glass blowing workshop. This is my first time doing something like this, so I'm like really excited and also like scared, or I guess nervous. This is the brand that reaches out to me a few months ago, and I finally have the time to go to their workshop because I've been like all over the place. I never expected my Q1 to be super busy, but honestly, I kind of like it, kind of love it. For today's goal, I want to make two things. I want to make a matcha cup, or just like, you know, like any glass cup, and a matcha bowl. And I guess for this video, it's gonna be like a little vlog. I'm probably not gonna be super long. At first I was gonna do two part, where part one is making the bowl and the cup, and then part two would be like the finished product and like me using it, I guess. But I feel like I'm not gonna have enough footages to turn it into two parts, so I'm just gonna combine it in one part. Kobe is also coming with me, so it's gonna be like a little date. I also need to film an update video about my apartment, but that's another video for another week. Also, hello, thank you for 100k view on my other video. That's insane. Before having this channel, my main focus is TikTok and Instagram, but I feel like I want to do this full time instead of like making shorts, you know. I want to like, I guess like make more YouTube videos instead of like shorts. Also, look at my nails. These are all of the objects in my apartment. Like that chair right there, she's right here. Everything else you can't really see. Actually, this little table right here is right there. We have this lamp from Gantry, and it's just behind you guys. Right now it's 3 o'clock and we're leaving around like 3:30 or 4. Because Kobe's working and he's getting off at 3:30. So, alrighty, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here is my day outfit. And here's Kobe's outfit. I feel like I'm being mocked right now. We're here. Let's go. Kind of nervous.
That one.
Transfer from that one, from that little pipe to that pipe. So my face is so close. Yeah. it pretty hot?
Yeah, that's like the sun.
It's like insanely hot in here, and I feel like my phone is about to explode. Like, we're gonna make matcha bowl. That was sexy. See how there's no hair? It burnt off. I'm a pro.
Nice job. Perfect done. This one too. Perfect done.
Sorry, I look crazy right now, but we picked up the cups. This is my cup, and then this is Kobe cup. He has like a little indent for his thumb, and then my matcha bowl. Are you kidding me? Insane. I just picked these up from the workshop yesterday, so let's make matcha with them. I'm gonna be making my matcha in this red cup right here. I'm also gonna be making matcha for my friends, so I'm gonna be using another cup. And we're gonna use the chawan to make our matcha. Oh, hello. I feel like I've shown you guys how to make matcha in one of my videos, but I'm just gonna go over it with you guys today in case if you've never ever made matcha before and you wanna, start making matcha. I'm also gonna be using this silver tray and some cute coaster for our drinks. To make your matcha, you can use whatever bowl you want, but you're definitely gonna need a chasen or a matcha whisk. You're also gonna need a kettle, and if you don't, that's okay. You can just heat up the water in the microwave, but I'm just gonna be using my fellow kettle. You're also gonna need matcha, of course, and a little sifter, and some type of spoon, or like a measuring spoon to get your matcha. Another thing I'm going to be using is a scale. That way my drink will be the same every single time. First thing first, you're definitely going to need to soak your chasen in really, really hot water. That way the bristle can be softened, because you don't want to like raw dog it and just like whisk your matcha, because the bamboo little bristle can break, and you leave it like that for like a minute. And I'm gonna do 6 grams of matcha today because we're making 2 drinks. I'm also going to be adding 110 grams of water. My favorite part, pouring the matcha. Since this is my first matcha bowl, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. The reason why I give it a 6 out of 10 because it has a little dent right here, meaning it's not flat on the inside, so when I'm whisking, it get caught in that little mountain right there. So it doesn't make any foams on top, but it still works. The spout is amazing. That's like literally the best thing ever. And the color is really pretty. Actually, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Other than that, it's probably just gonna sit still and be pretty. I'm probably not gonna use it, you know, just because of that little thing right there, and it can damage my chasen. So, yeah, enjoy. Every time you go. Cheers. Ooh, I also want to mention, this is a new rug. Hee. Pick one. So you go first. Look how pretty, like, you can see a little green, like, through the cracks.